Hello everyone, this is Graham from the Quality Assurance team here at Powur. I want to take a minute to say thank you for all the hard work all of you have put in throughout 2025. We know it's been a busy year, a lot of crazy things have went on in the industry. We truly appreciate the effort that each and every one of you bring to every install. Our installers are critical to our success. The majority of you are doing solid work out there in the field, and that does not go unnoticed. As we move into 2026, I want to reset our quality assurance expectations here. Going forward, we can no longer accept average quality scores below 80%. Now, in most cases, these low scores are not due to poor installation quality. They're almost always a result of our procedures not being followed. To be very clear, before submitting the installation complete, which means before marking the SiteCapture template complete, we need to make sure each and every system is fully commissioned. It has communicated. We have online production and consumption data when needed. The arrays are fully mapped out. Powur has been granted web monitoring access. The lending partner has been granted web monitoring access. All requested photos are uploaded to SiteCapture. And just as you're uploading those photos, just take a minute to sit and read the question and say, are the photos that I'm uploading clear, legible, and are they actually the photos that each and every question is asking for? If you just do that quick step, that quick checklist, you're almost guaranteed to have average scores above the 85 percentile. So these steps are not optional. These are required on every single job as a condition of the installation complete milestone submission. Consistent failure to meet these requirements is going to result in the entry into the Powur Quality Assurance Corrective Action Program. This program is not meant to be a form of punishment. It's consistency, it's accountability, and it's fewer reworks and touch points for everyone. Again, we really appreciate all the work that each and every one of you are doing. We're confident with tighter adherence to this program and to our procedures, everyone can easily meet these standards. Thanks again for all of your efforts, and let's make 2026 the strongest year yet.